Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today, we're exploring real classic motorcycles for sale across the United States in 2026, straight from Craigslist listings. Number 1. 1984 Harley-Davidson Tour Glide, $5,500, Albuquerque, New Mexico. The 1984 Harley-Davidson Tour Glide is a landmark motorcycle, marking the first production year of the Evolution engine, a power plant widely credited with saving Harley-Davidson from reliability issues of the previous era. With only 22,000 original miles and single ownership since the late 1980s, this bike represents a rare, well-preserved example of early Evo touring machines. The motorcycle remains largely factory original, including original paint, original keys, and functioning factory locks, details collectors actively look for. Recent servicing includes a new battery, carburetor replacement, fresh oil in all three systems, brake fluid flush, clutch adjustment, and a general mechanical inspection. The Tour Glide's frame-mounted fairing delivers stable, high-speed touring comfort, making it both historically important and genuinely usable. With a clean title and no immediate needs, this is an increasingly hard-to-find Harley touring classic at an approachable price point. Number 2. 1984 Honda Goldwing Standard, $3,000. Scottsdale, Arizona. This 1984 Honda Goldwing Standard represents the final year of the naked, non-faired 1200cc Goldwing, making it especially desirable among vintage Honda enthusiasts. Owned by its original owner and supported by over $7,500 in documented maintenance, this motorcycle reflects Honda's legendary engineering philosophy of longevity and refinement. With 79,500 miles, it clearly demonstrates the durability of the flat-4 engine when properly maintained. Major mechanical work completed in both 2021 and 2025 ensures continued reliability. Unlike later fully dressed Goldwings, this standard version offers a lighter, more engaging riding experience while retaining long-distance comfort. At this price, it stands as one of the most cost-effective ways to own a true vintage touring motorcycle with proven real-world reliability. Number 3. 1972 BSA Rocket 3, $9,200, Kent, Washington. The 1972 BSA Rocket 3 is one of the most historically significant motorcycles ever produced in Britain, widely recognized as the first British superbike. This numbers-matching Mark II example comes from BSA's final production year, with only 533 units built for the 1972 model year, making it exceptionally rare. Featuring the distinctive chrome fuel tank and triple-cylinder engine, it offers both visual impact and mechanical uniqueness. This motorcycle benefits from a refreshed top end completed in 2021, including new pistons, rings, valves, and guides, along with Boyer electronic ignition and freshly cleaned carburetors. New tires and paint further enhance its roadworthiness. As British triples continue to rise in value, this Rocket 3 represents a rare opportunity to own a cornerstone piece of motorcycle history. Number 4. 1983 Suzuki GS1100E, $4,200. University Place, Washington. The 1983 Suzuki GS1100E is a defining example of early Japanese superbike performance, delivering strong acceleration, high top speed, and proven reliability. This example has been carefully maintained, featuring fully rebuilt and synchronized carburetors, new oil pan and exhaust gaskets, and consistent use of non-ethanol premium fuel. With just over 31,000 miles, the engine remains strong and responsive. The seller includes approximately $300 worth of new original Suzuki parts, adding tangible value for future ownership. Known for its muscular styling and aggressive power delivery, the GS1100E remains one of the best performance per dollar classics available in today's market. Number 5. 1975 BMW R90/6, $6,800, Green Lake, Washington. This 1975 BMW R90/6 reflects BMW's reputation for durability, precision engineering, and long-distance comfort. Featuring matching serial numbers and a documented frame-off rebuild, this motorcycle has been thoughtfully refreshed while preserving originality. Modifications include Leicester magnesium wheels, Avon tires, and a custom solo seat, while all original parts are included for future restoration. Importantly, the fuel tank and fenders retain their original paint, a significant factor for collectors. The 900cc Boxer Twin provides smooth, torque-rich performance, ideal for touring or relaxed riding. With its unique luggage rack and clean title, this R90/6 strikes a balance between collectible authenticity and everyday usability. Number 6. 1979 Yamaha SR500, $3,000, Tumwater, Washington. The 1979 Yamaha SR500 has achieved cult status thanks to its simplicity, reliability, and mechanical honesty. This example has been owned by the same individual for 40 years and shows just 12,917 original miles, retaining its original red paint. Upgrades include Gold Sun aluminum rims, stainless steel spokes, a White Brothers exhaust system, a Mikuni carburetor, and newer SR400 rear shocks. Recently fitted tires have seen minimal use, and all electrical systems function correctly. With a clean title and collector plate, this SR500 appeals to riders who value minimalist design and hands-on riding experiences in an increasingly digital world. Number 7. 1972 Husqvarna 250CR, $8,500, Mukilteo, Washington. This 1972 Husqvarna 250CR has undergone a comprehensive high-quality restoration, resulting in a machine that is both historically accurate and mechanically sound. The engine was rebuilt by a recognized vintage Husqvarna specialist in California, with new piston, barrel, rod, clutch, and electronic ignition installed. The frame was media blasted and refinished using professional-grade primers and paint, while suspension, wheels, and brakes were fully refreshed. Included original components and extensive documentation further enhance its value. With title and registration, this is not just a display piece, but a rideable example of a legendary Swedish motocross icon. Number 8. 1978 Kawasaki KZ650B1, $3,300, Crown Point, Indiana. The 1978 Kawasaki KZ650B1 offers a lighter, more agile alternative to larger displacement universal Japanese motorcycles of the era. This example features rebuilt carburetors with modern seals, newer rear suspension, and an extended swing arm for improved stability. Importantly, the original swing arm and rear wheel are included, preserving originality for future restoration. With 20,100 miles and a clean title in the seller's name, this KZ650 represents a versatile classic capable of both relaxed cruising and spirited riding, all at a very accessible price. Number 9. 1970 Ducati 450 Jupiter, $9,000, Colorado Springs, Colorado. The 1970 Ducati 450 Jupiter reflects Ducati's pre-Superbike heritage, focusing on lightweight construction and single-cylinder performance. Restored approximately 10 years ago and showing only limited mileage since, this motorcycle has been carefully preserved as part of a collection. Its minimalist design, narrow engine profile, and mechanical simplicity make it especially appealing to enthusiasts of early Italian motorcycles. With clean title and excellent condition, this Jupiter represents a rare opportunity to own a well-preserved example from Ducati's formative years. Number 10. 1979 Vespa 150 Super P150X, $11,000, Henderson, Nevada. This 1979 Vespa 150 Super, also known as the P150X, stands out as both transportation and functional art. Imported with proper documentation and finished with custom artwork, it represents classic Italian scooter design with modern visual flair. While it does not carry a traditional title, it includes supporting import paperwork. Fully running and rideable, this Vespa appeals to collectors seeking something visually unique and culturally significant. Demand for classic Vespas remains strong worldwide, supporting its long-term collectible potential. Number 11. 1975 Moto Guzzi 850T, $6,000, Bozeman, Montana. This 1975 Moto Guzzi 850T has been extensively rebuilt with the intention of regular riding rather than static display. Updates include a rebuilt engine with new cylinders, lighter flywheel, upgraded oil pump, rebuilt final drive, modern wiring harness, improved braking components, and custom paint. Known for its longitudinal V-twin layout and shaft drive, the 850T delivers distinctive character and mechanical robustness. With detailed documentation and clean title, this Moto Guzzi offers a compelling blend of classic Italian style and upgraded reliability. Number 12. 1973 Honda CB450, $4,500, Xenia, Ohio. The 1973 Honda CB450 is a foundational model in Honda's rise as a global motorcycle leader. Featuring original paint, original mufflers, strong chrome, and recently installed tires and tubes, this bike remains largely stock and mechanically sound. The seller emphasizes transparency regarding vintage ownership expectations, making this an honest offering for both new and experienced collectors. With nationwide shipping available, this CB450 provides accessible entry into early Japanese motorcycle ownership. Number 13. 1978 Triumph Bonneville T140E, $5,900, Yuma, Arizona. This 1978 Triumph Bonneville T140E captures the final evolution of the classic British parallel twin. Finished in elegant two-tone burgundy and silver, it features a clean leather seat, polished chrome exhausts, and a 750cc engine with both kick and electric start. Lightweight and responsive, the Bonneville offers engaging performance and unmistakable character. With excellent condition and clean title, this example stands as a strong representative of Britain's most iconic motorcycle nameplate. Number 14, 1986 BMW R80RT, $5,400, Ann Arbor, Michigan. The 1986 BMW R80RT was engineered for long-distance touring, featuring an 800cc air-cooled boxer twin derived from BMW's decades-long design lineage. This example shows just 22,083 original miles and includes a complete service history since 2017. Maintenance and repairs were performed by BMW specialists, and upgrades include a Hyper Pro rear shock with transferable warranty. Factory hard cases add practicality, making this R80RT a comfortable and reliable classic touring motorcycle ready for modern roads. Number 15, 1971 Suzuki RV90 Project, $750, Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. The 1971 Suzuki RV90, also known as the Van, is offered here as a non-running restoration project. Featuring distinctive fat tires and simple two-stroke engineering, this model has developed a growing following among collectors. This listing includes a Montana title and an additional parts bike, providing a solid foundation for restoration. While rough, it offers an affordable entry point into vintage motorcycle ownership for mechanically inclined enthusiasts. That's today's lineup of classic motorcycles for sale. Subscribe to Moto Market Explorer for more real Craigslist deals and timeless machines.